In this quick video, I'll show you how to replace the internal battery in your Chevy Cavalier key fob. Some of you out there might have a device that looks like this, but it has a fourth button, a red button right here. Doesn't matter whether you have the 3-button like me or the 4-button version, they are the same device and they take the same battery. So just follow along with me here, regardless of which one you have. Now this whole process will take under 5 minutes, and the only things you'll need to get it done are some kind of coin and one CR2032 battery. If you'd like to get one of these batteries online, go check out the link in the description. That will take you over to Amazon, where you can get this particular battery for just a few dollars. Now the first step is to look on the bottom right of the device, right next to where the key ring attaches. You can see there's a groove along the seam of the plastic there. Go ahead and take your coin and insert it into that groove. And once you get it in there, just hold the device loosely and twist the coin. You'll hear the device crack open, and you can pull it apart with your fingers, and now we have access to the battery. So the next step here is just to pull this battery out, and if you have long nails, maybe you can just get right under there. If not, go ahead and grab a flathead screwdriver, pen or pencil, even another key that you have lying around, and what we want to do is just go in this little dark area there. There's an indentation that's going to help us get under the battery, so we can just lift it right up. Once more, let me show you that. Just take your tool, insert it under there, and pry the battery up. Go ahead and dispose of your old battery and make sure you are getting, again, a CR2032 battery. And when you put it in, make sure that this positive side that has the plus sign and the text on it is going face down. So go ahead, click that into place, face down. And now we can just click the two halves of the device back together, and we are finished. I hope that video helped you out, and if it did, feel free to let me know down in the comments or just by giving this video a like, which helps greatly. And if you ever need help with another one of your keys, you can come back to this channel. We have tutorials for pretty much every device from every maker model out there, almost every maker model out there. And you can also get that information over at our website, fobbattery.com.